Hi guys, ayan, nakabili na tayo ng Conquest Pistachio Cake. Matatry na natin kung masarap ba to o hindi. So, yun. Sabi ng iba, hindi daw masarap. Ayan, ganyan na siya guys.
Let's do it! We're making the cake. It's happy meal time. Happy birthday, Ate Donna.
Oh, that's why we have this cake. So first we gonna put this one. Let's
Wow.
taste it if it's yummy or
Yummy.
not. Okay?
Whoa.
Some says it's not yummy. Some says it's very yummy. So, let's put
Yeah.
this, guys. Ayan. Ayan siyang
How about
kasamang
this
ganyan.
also?
No, don't put that. This one lang, oh. Wala.
Is that grass? What is that?
This is a pistachio sauce.
Is it chocolate? How about the other one? Oh.
And then,
Let's buy it now.
let's put
This.
this one. What is this? It's a petals of roses.
Is that?
No, is this edible?
Yeah, petals of
Yeah.
roses.
Yes, it's edible. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle like that.
Cool. Cool. Mommy. What? Why going out?
Show them how does it look like.
Yeah.
There.
Yummy.
See?
I think yummy.
And then
That's
now
good.
let's try
Pepper
it,
yucky.
guys.
Ready?
Here it is.
You ready to open it? I
Now
think
we're going
yummy.
to remove the plastic first.
Yay, let's see it.
Tell it if it's yummy. Come
No.
on, remove your hands, baby. Yay.
No.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Oh,
Yummy. It's my place.
Let's
Mommy,
see.
you try mine. Picture it. Mommy, it's so beautiful.
It's a beautiful
This
cake.
is
Let's cut it for a little of this first.
I want small piece. Mommy pet.
Medyo,
Me
medyo
pet.
hard siya. Wait.
Me
Can
pet,
I have the
Mommy.
tiny one?
Small.
Only fun.
Okay. This is yours, Rafa. Now try it and tell me how is it, okay?
Where's my toy?
How about for Sia? Okay, wait. Medyo hard siya kasi yung panafi niya yata is hard.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
How is it, baby? Good? Really? How about you, baby Sia?
I
Nice.
didn't taste it.
Okay, let's try it. How is it? Huh?
9/10.
9/10. How about you, Raf?
Yummy.
Yummy, 10/10?
Papa.
Oh. Let me try it. They said this is looks like Dubai chocolate. Matigas yung kanafe niya. Wait lang. Isa pa. Parang mas mas masarap pag isa-isahin yung first layer. Chocolate. Pagdating dito sa gitna, yung kafe.
I don't like the flower.
No, you cannot taste naman the petals eh. It's like decoration lang.
But I don't like it.
The bottom, the chocolate.
It's yummy.
This one, the bottom. Let's try the bottom first, and then the middle, and then on the top one. Good. Say happy birthday na sa Ate Donna.
Happy birthday, Ate Donna.
Okay. One more?
I like the sauce.
You like the sauce. How about you, Ralph? Which
But
one
I
is
don't
the
like
best
the
for you?
petal.
You finish all. You want more? Wow, Rafa loves it, guys.